We got our cylinder head back from the machine shop. Now we are going to prep the block, pull the old gasket off, get it cleaned up. Alright, it's all clean. We got the gasket on, so it's time to put the cylinder head back in place. Alright, cylinder head is back on. Time for the bolts, and this time I will be using the correct bit. Alright gang, we got the cams in place. Now we just need to adjust the timing and start assembling the timing belt. And just like that, the new timing belt is installed. And that's where we're going to finish this project today. Be sure to check back in tomorrow to see me finish this Rav4.